So this is my model Dolly. We are going to create a look that is inspired by the iconic rose blondes that has been trending for quite a while. And we have called the look Frosted Rose Blonde, and I'm going to be using the new shades from ILLUMINA color and also another product that is going to be launched very soon. So when I work with colors, I love to have mood boards. So this is the mood board for Dolly's hair. So when I'm creating this look for Dolly, I looked at her skin tone, also her eye color, and I think a rosy color is going to look really, really nice on her. It's going to bring out the green in her eyes, and I think it's going to be a very, very nice and flattering color for her. I'm going to start applying the bleach around 3 centimeters away from the hairline, and also I will be applying the color of the bleach as a first-time application because she has a regrowth that's really, really long. So I will apply it from about 1 centimeter from the roots and to the blonde stops. So now I'm applying to the roots of my first time application. So the roots lift super, super easy. So I followed the same sectioning. So I started from about 3 centimeters from the hairline and then worked my way back. The product that I'm using is Blondor Plex. It is Blondor and WellaPlex combined into one. It is so easy to work with, and you can skip the first step where you have to add WellaPlex to Blondor. So it just makes everything so much easier. And the bleach itself is so nice to work with, and it lifts really beautifully. So now let's see if it has lifted enough. And that looks good and ready. And this is why doing a first-time application is such a good technique to use when you have a regrowth that's really long, because you get a nice and even lift. And then it's time to rinse. Because the lengths were quite yellow, I decided to just go in with a Blondor rinse, just to lift it a little bit more so I get more of an even color all the way down to the length. So then we're ready with the step 1, which was pre-lightening, and now we're going to go ahead and apply the ILLUMINA colors. So now I'm mixing together my root color. So I'm going to put that on the root. That's a little bit of a depth. I begin with applying the color to the root because I want to have one uniform color all through the hair, and then I will work with 3 different colors in the lengths to create the effects. So now I have divided the hair into sections, and this is the classic water ball sectioning. So basically starting from a point at the crown and then working in triangle sections all the way around the head. This is a really effectful technique for long hair. It just blends everything in. It's really, really cool. So the first color is frosted, the second one is rose, and then the third one, which is the blonde. So I start at the back, and I use the blonde first, which I blend into the roots. Use your finger just to blend it. So we'll alternate the different colors all the way. Okay, so getting into the final touches. I have curled the hair with a soft curl tong from GHD. And now for my favorite part is when you get to brush these curls out. The color came out really, really nice. You can see the rose on the top, soft rose shades coming down the length. So the water ball technique is really, really good when you have long hair because it comes out in sections like this. You can really show off each color without it looking stripy.